I'm surprised.
Stop shooting me.
God damn hiccups.
Sir, is it raining outside?
Why fireworks? Is your town just that festive? Gang signs, gang wars, gang
Try
guns.
to kill us now.
Gang gun style.
Oh, that's right. He's not Elvis.
You guys ready?
How do you get rid of hiccups? How do you do it?
You just, the way I do it is hold my breath for like 50 seconds.
You just don't get rid of them, Nero. You just kind of let them happen. That's what we did. That's
Hold
what
my
I
breath
do.
for like 2 minutes and they'll go away. I'm not like saying kill yourself to make them go away. I'm
I know.
legitimately saying hold your breath
I
for
was
a
going
very,
for the
very
50.
long
I was
time.
going for the 50 second.
Okay, 5 completely upfront blasts with the shotgun will take care of them. That was not 50 seconds.
I know, it's because I burped in my mouth.
Oh my god. So gross.
God, humans burping.
If we're working together against each tank, it shouldn't be that hard.
I feel very mighty doing this. I mean, this music is definitely adding to that feeling.
You can make it. Nope. Didn't remember.
I got hoops on my wrists.
Are those your, like, power bracelets?
I think I'm about to throw up, by the way.
Why?
Don't do that.
They had the taste of teriyaki too. Ugh.
Nero, this